Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Lauren Diva V in the place to be, y'all. My garden, y'all. We got a good old stupid rain last night. It rained. Oh, when I tell you, and I'm outside looking, some stuff is knocked over. So let me turn y'all around so y'all can actually see. All right. My peas, these peas was doing good. Now they starting to die off. My tomato plant is doing excellent. Let's see. Everything is, dang. Okay, I need to fix him, prop him up. Hey, you know what? What they call this? The rope. There we go. So we had to fix the rope. It had fell. Well, slid down, I should say. Oh no. The peach tree. No ma'am. No ma'am. We need you upright at all times, honey. Upright at all times. Okay, Mr. B, I ain't playing with you. All right, everything besides did you get, see, she didn't even get enough water. Let me put her in this little puddle right there. Suck that water up. All right, we got to give her a name. I think everything over here is fine. Everything over here is fine. Just filled with water. But, hey, we ain't tripping. The fig tree is doing okay. Everything over here is doing well. This one of them popped off. The basil. But this basil is dying anyway. I'm about to pull that up. My cosmos, y'all. This is like somebody stepped on him. What's really going on? I'm gonna have to prop that up. But it seemed like everything else is doing well. We need to harvest these. I didn't know when I purchased this that these were, what is it, ornamentals or miniature ones? Or maybe I don't know. Oh no. You ain't supposed to be falling down. Okay, let's see. I already knew this was gonna be these were all gonna be all over the place. Now I don't remember leaving that up, but maybe I did. But anyway. Everything over here looking good, looking good. Tomatoes over here. The banana trees is doing well. And let me check on these eggplant over here. Let's see. Still thriving, still thriving. Come on, eggplant. All right. So I'm thinking the okra, I'm just going to pull those up because they have all died back. Thank y'all for coming with me to check out the garden. I hope that your gardens are doing well also. Check out my other social media profiles, and I will see you in the next video. Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. My garden.